I'm Dr. BJ Hardick. I'm here to invite you to next Tuesday night's MaxLiving Recipe Night. About a decade ago, I wrote the MaxLiving Nutrition Plans, and more recently, I wrote Align Your Health. It's an honor that the two books have reached hundreds of thousands of people, and between the two books, plus all the recipes on my website, we're talking about hundreds of recipes that are good for you. They taste great, they're healthy, they keep you full, you can do them on a budget, and most importantly, they're all sugar-free, and that includes the desserts. But what's most important is that these plans have transformed the lives of thousands of people right here in London, and the results just keep coming. The best thing about the recipe night is the spread of the food, all of the recipes from my website and from my books. And you're gonna experience the MaxLiving community, people pursuing natural health right here in London, just like you. All the information is on drhardick.com. I can't wait to see you there.